Yes, question was two balls are drawn from a bag containing two white, three red, and four black balls. Two white, three red, and four black balls, one by one without replacement. One by one without replacement. What is the probability that at least one ball is red? कम से कम एक बॉल रेड होनी चाहिए, दो बॉल आप ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. One by one without replacement you are doing this. What is the probability that at least one ball is red? कम से कम एक बॉल आपकी रेड होनी चाहिए. You should find out the probability of it. So at least one ball is red, so we will take first ball is red and other of other color. R1 intersection O2. Red ball, first red and second other color ball. Plus second आएगा other color and the red ball in the second attempt. Or maybe red in first and the second is also red. You can do the question this way. At least one red का मतलब फर्स्ट रेड हो, दूसरा अदर कलर. अदर कलर में अब यहाँ क्या है, व्हाइट और ब्लैक दोनों हो सकती हैं. देन अदर कलर फर्स्ट हो, सेकंड रेड हो, या फिर दोनों ही रेड. What we do this in this case, just check first red color ball and then other when I know first is red. Plus second is other color into red color when I know first is other. And third comes out to be red color here, and when we know second red when first is already red. So what it will come here? First red color आपका हुआ 3/9. अब एक रेड कम हो गया तो यहाँ 2 रेड होगा, अदर वाइट है और 4 ब्लैक होगा. तो आपकी 6 बॉल्स रह गई. 6 बॉल्स क्योंकि अब आपकी अदर कलर आ रही है तो ये 6 में से आ रही है, तो 6/8 प्लस दूसरे केस में क्या कह रहा है, अदर बॉल पहले आ रही है. अदर बॉल पहले आ रही है इसका मतलब 4 2 6 6/9. अब इनमें से एक बॉल कम हो गई है, सो क्या होगा, 3 रेड और 5 अदर बॉल्स हो गई. सो नाउ दिस टाइम वी हैव द रेड बॉल 3/9 प्लस, या फिर दोनों रेड हो तो रेड होने के चांस पहला हुआ 3/9 और फिर हो जाएगा 2/8. यस और नो? Find out what is the final answer we have. ये 8 आएगा सर. LCM will be 72. 9 8 72. ये आया 18 plus of 18 plus of 6. 36 plus 6 42/70. Something cancel out. 21 36. Then by 3 we can cancel out. 3 7s are 21. 12 3s are 36. 7/12 is the answer. This is the one way to complete this question. There is another way to complete this question. What it is? We want at least one of them is red. So total cases minus the case in which none of them is red. 1 minus none of them is red. एक भी red नहीं है, उसको अगर 1 में से माइनस कर दो, you will get at least 1 red. उसमें हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? We will write in that case, we will write 1 minus Not red, not red. First is not red and second is also not red. पहली भी रेड नहीं है, दूसरी भी रेड नहीं है, वन में से माइनस करते हैं. Red and then second is red when first is already red. So what I should write? 1 minus. First red ball. Red ball के chances क्या हुए आपके? 3/9. Sorry, 3 red नहीं होनी चाहिए. It's not a red. Not a red means 6/9. And second is also not red. तो वो रह जाएगी 5/8. Now you do it. 72 is the LCM, so 72 minus 30, answer is 42/70. You got your answer. So ये भी आप एक मेथड यूज कर सकते हैं, जो आप चाहें वो करें. Next question, please. To test the quality of electric bulbs produced by a factory. To test the quality of electric bulbs produced by a factory. Two bulbs are drawn at random from a large sample without replacement. Two bulbs are drawn at random from a large sample of bulbs without replacement. If either bulb is defective, either bulb is defective, the entire lot is rejected. Entire lot is rejected. There are 200 bulbs, has 5 defective bulbs. In a lot of 200 bulbs, 5 are defective. Find the probability that the lot is rejected. Find the probability that the lot is rejected. कब रिजेक्ट होगा? जब कम से कम एक बल्ब, आपने 2 बल्ब ड्रॉ करने हैं इनमें सैंपल में से, and if any one is going to be defective or both are defective, then we will say lot will be rejected. Means at least one of them should come defective. अगर ऐसा आ रहा है, then we will say lot will be rejected. So in what case the lot will be rejected, you should know. हाँ भाई, कैसे कैलकुलेट करें? यस प्लीज बोलो.
Sir, 1 minus the probability of a non-defective.
Yes, 1 minus none of them is rejected. So 1 minus probability of R1 I am taking rejected bulb in first lot, not there. Second time, second is also not rejected. 1 minus probability of not rejected, intersection, another not rejected. So we write this as 1 minus first not rejected and then second not rejected when we know that first is rejected. First is not rejected. कब रिजेक्ट नहीं होगा? जब बल्ब डिफेक्टिव नहीं होगा. डिफेक्टिव कितने नहीं है? 195 आर नॉट डिफेक्टिव. Yes or no? हाँ भाई, कितने डिफेक्टिव नहीं है? 195 are not defective. So 1 minus 195 by 200. Second कितना हो जाएगा? 194 by. Sorry, it is 199. So what is our LCM? 200 into 199. 200 into 199 minus 195 into 194. Solve it, you will get your answer. Is it clear? Now write down next question, please. Now we are taking random questions on conditional probability. Write down. There are two questions in this one. One is in which we have calculated A by B, and another is P A intersection B. So now we are taking random question. कुछ भी हो सकता है. You should understand the question and do the question. Yes, write down question, please. Two integers are selected at random. अगर कर दिया है तो बता देना ये क्वेश्चन. Two integers are selected at random from 1 to 19. 1 to 11, sorry. 1 to 11. If the sum of them is even, then find the probability that both the numbers are odd. One to 11, we are selecting two numbers at a time, and their sum is coming even. What is the probability that both the numbers are odd? What is the probability that both the numbers are odd? Yes, please do it. Yes, please. In what case we can have even number if you are selecting two numbers from 1 to 11? क्या कंडीशन होती है इवन नंबर के लिए? दो नंबर का सम इवन कब आता है? Yes, please. In what case you have the sum of two numbers be even? That is only possible when both the numbers you are taking even number, तो even आएगा. Or both are odd, then also even number. 3 और 5 दो odd number है, sum even आएगा. 2 और 4 even number है, sum even आएगा. But अगर एक even एक odd number आप लेंगे, then it will be coming as odd. For example, I'll say 2 and 3, 5 odd number. So even number if you want, that means you should have two even or two odd numbers. Here in this case, odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Odd numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10.
Sir, is it 12 by 13?
क्या कह रहे हैं बोलो?
Sir, 12 by 13.
12 by 13. नहीं भाई. देखो भाई.
Sir, 1 है क्या?
No. How you are calculating? Just check. Sum of the two numbers are coming even. It has already happened. And we want that both the numbers to be odd. What is the question they are asking? Find the probability. Question says if the sum is even, sum आपका even है, then what is the probability? Or find the probability that both the numbers are odd. तो conditional हो गया question. P B by A निकालना है इस बार. What formula says? P A intersection B by P A. Can you tell what is the case in which even numbers are there? आप केसेस बनाओ कितने इवन नंबर्स के साथ बन सकते हैं. तो सारे केसेस नहीं लिख के वी विल फाइंड आउट हाउ मच इज द नंबर्स हियर. If we want to sum as even number means I should take two numbers from here or I should take two numbers from here. 1 2 3 4 5. इन पांच में से कोई भी दो नंबर आ जाए तो इवन नंबर मिल जाएगा. इन छह में से कोई दो ले ले तो भी इवन नंबर आ जाएगा. So 5C2 plus 6C2. इन पांच में से दो आए या इन 6 में से दो आए, then you will say sum is coming even. Here it is say both are odd number. दोनों odd number है, इसका मतलब यहां से दोनों odd आएंगे तो it will come out to be 6C2. Is that clear? And then we are concerned with A intersection B. इन दोनों का इंटरसेक्शन क्या होगा? सम इवन आना चाहिए और दोनों ऑड आने चाहिए. तो दोनों ऑड इज द कंडीशन व्हिच विल बी कॉमन इन द टू. ऑड नंबर बोथ एंड सम इवन. ऑड नंबर है तो अपने आप सम इवन आएगा. इसका मतलब ये 6C2 आपका दोनों में इंटरसेक्शन है. So what is probability or what is the sample space this time? We will have 11C2. Total cases will be 11C2. So PA intersection B, if you want, it will be 6C2 by 11C2 whole divided by probability of A. 5C2 plus 6C2 by 11C2. 11C2 get cancelled out. Then I got 6C2 by 5C2 plus 6C2. Now you know how to solve it. 6C2 means 6 into 5 by 2 into 1. 4 divided by 5 into 4 by 2 into 1 plus 6 into 5 by 2 into 1.
So 3 by 5.
Yes, ये 2 into 1 सब जगह कट गया, ऊपर आ गया 30, ये 20 plus 30, 3 by 5 is nice. So it's a good question. You should know how to do it. Next question, please. Three events A, B, and C. Three events A, B, and C having probabilities having their probabilities as 2 by 5, 1 by 3, and 1 by 2 respectively. And given that PA intersection C is 1 by 5 and PB intersection C is coming 1 by 4. Question is find PC by B is the question. And second one, find out P A bar by C bar. Please do this.
So C by B is 3 by 4.
C by B is 3 by 4. Yes.
So 8 by 5 second.
Second is 8 by 5.
So
No.
3 by 10.
3 by 10. Yes. देखो P C by B तो हो जाएगा P C intersection B by PB. This is coming 1 by 4, and what is PB? 1 by 3. What the answer is? 3 by 4. ये तो पहला आ गया. Now you want this. So I should write this as P A bar intersection C bar divided by P C bar. Now check this formula. P अगर इस बार को आप टोटल पे लाते हैं तो डिमॉर्गन लॉ ये कहता है कि ये इंटरसेक्शन आपका यूनियन में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. दैट मींस A यूनियन C होल बार हो जाएगा divided by PC bar. इसको आप लिख सकते हैं 1 minus PA union C by 1 minus PC. Is it clear or no? हाँ भाई क्लियर है ये?
Yes, sir.
नॉर्टन लॉ लगाया, ये रिजल्ट आ गया. इसके बाद 1 माइनस यहाँ एडिशन रूल लगाते हैं तो दैट इज कम आउट टू बी PA प्लस PC माइनस PA इंटरसेक्शन डिवाइडेड बाय 1 माइनस PC. Solve it now. 1 minus, it is PA is 2 by 5 plus PC 1 by 2. A intersection C 1 by 5 divided by 1 minus half. What my result is? 1 minus, यहाँ LCM ले लें हम 5 10 sorry 10 अगर LCM लिया तो ये हो गया 2 2 4, ये आ गया आपका 5, ये हो गया आपका 2 divided by 1 minus half. One minus, it will be 5 4 9 9 minus 2 7 by 10, and denominator is half only. So ये आएगा 10 minus 7, so 3 by 10 by 1 by 2. 2 5s are 10, so answer come out to be 3 by 5. कुछ गड़बड़ हुई है? 3 by 10 आना चाहिए था. Yes, answer is what? 3 by 5 आएगा भाई, 3 by 10 नहीं आएगा. Yes, is it clear, Shreya?
Yes, sir.
Next question, please. 10% of the bulb produced, write down. The 10% of the bulb produced in a factory are red colored and 2% red bulbs are defective. 10% of the bulb produced by the factories are of red color, and out of them 2% are defective. If one bulb is drawn at random, find the probability that it is a defective bulb if we know it is a red color. We know it is red color. What is the probability that it is defective bulb? Yes, please. What do you want in this case? PB by A we want. What is my formula? PA intersection B by PA. What is the chance that you have a red bulb? Red bulb के chances क्या है भाई? Probability लिख देते हैं सीधा ही 2% chances है. Because it says that out of a lot, 10%, a factory produces 10% bulbs are red bulbs. So we will say probability of A will be 10 by 100. And how many are defective bulbs in this case? कितने बल्ब डिफेक्टिव हैं? ये नहीं निकाल पाएंगे आप क्योंकि टोटल का डिफेक्टिव मुझे मालूम नहीं है, बट पी ए इंटरसेक्शन बी आई कैन गेट. ए इंटरसेक्शन बी का मतलब रेड भी होना चाहिए और डिफेक्टिव भी होना चाहिए. हाउ मेनी आर देयर?
2%.
2% of what? 2% of what? % of red bulbs are defective or no? तो इसका 2% कितना होगा भाई? 10 बल्ब्स आपके पास डिफेक्टिव है, इसका 2%.
तो डिफेक्टिव तो 1/10 होंगे ना.
ये कह रहा है 10% of the bulb produced in a factory are of red color and 2% are red and defective. Sorry, क्वेश्चन को करेक्ट करो. 2% are red and defective. ये दिया हुआ है. तो इसका मतलब ये सीधा सीधा 2/100 लिख लिया जाए. 2% are red as well as defective. ये दिया है क्वेश्चन में. 2% are red in color and defective. So this is 2. So what answer will be 2/100. और यहाँ आएगा 10/100. Your answer is 1/5. Next question, please. Consider a random experiment. Consider a random experiment in which consider a random experiment in which a coin is tossed. And if coin shows head, it is tossed again. And if it shows tail, a die is tossed. If 8 outcomes are equally likely, if 8 possible outcomes are equally likely, then find the probability that the die shows a number greater than 4 if it is known that first throw of coin is a tail. If first throw of the coin is a tail. बोलो भाई. Question says there is a coin you toss. There are two possibilities we have, head or tail. It says that if head comes, you toss the coin again. And if tail comes, you toss a die. So total 8 possible outcomes are there. Head, 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 tail. How many outcomes are there? Head, 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 tail. Tail 1, tail 2, tail 3, tail 4, tail 5, and tail 6. This is the total sample space we have. Question says, if all these possible outcomes are equally likely मतलब सबके equal chance हैं. Equal chance का मतलब 1, 2, 3 total 8 हैं, तो हर एक का chance 1/8, 1/8, 1/8 होगा. Equally likely means all will have the chance 1/8. Now question is, find the probability that the die shows a number greater than 4. Die shows a number greater than 4. When you know, what you know, that head first throw shows a tail. First throw shows a tail. If it is given that first throw shows a tail, I want question A by B or B by A?
A by B.
A by B. Okay. So it is PA intersection B by PB. A shows die shows a number greater than 4. Die shows a number greater than 4 का मतलब यही दो केस हमारे पास बनेंगे. A के केसेस अगर हम लिखें तो ये होगा T5 और T6. First throw shows a tail, तो ये आपके पास 6 केसेस हैं. Tail 1, tail 2, tail 3, tail 4, tail 5 and tail 6. ये आपके 6 केसेस. When you go for intersection, how much? ये रहा T5, T6. कितने केस हुए आपके? 2. Favorable. 2 is a intersection B. 2 cases A intersection B में आ रहे हैं. Out of 8. divided by PB. 6 cases are there. So 6 by 8. Your answer is 2 by 6. Hence, answer is come out to be 1 by 3. Is it okay? Next question, please. 3 dice are thrown at the same time. 3 dice are thrown at the same time. Find the probability of getting 3 twos. Three twos if it is known that sum of the number on the dice was 6. Sum of numbers on the dice is 6. If we know that sum of the number on the dice is coming 6, what is the probability of getting 3 twos? Total cases कितने होंगे? 3 डाइस आप टॉस कर रहे हो,